Hey guys, welcome to Education for You. So guys, আজি এই ভিডিওটোত আমি কম্পিউটাৰৰ একটা question discuss কৰিম. So 100 MCQs of computer which will be important for your upcoming exams. তো আপোনালোকৰ upcoming যিবোৰ exam আছে আপোনালোকৰ like APDCL হওক বা এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ যিকোনো exam আপোনালোকে য'ত prepare কৰি আছে য'ত computer section লাগে সকলোতে সহায়ক হ'ব বুলি ভিডিওটো আমি লৈ আনিছো. So let's start the video. Number 1 question is C in CPU denotes. So CPU C to a key bujai. Aru etu to apnalok janei. So central processing unit to C to a central bujai. Okay. So easy pora ami hardoloke jam questions bur. So next question, which of the following uses a handheld operating system? Handheld operating system use kuntu ere kuntu e use kore. Okay, and it is PDA. PDA ki kore handheld operating system use kore. Then, to display the contents of a folder in the Windows Explorer, you should dash. Ki hobo? To Windows Explorer jetia apnaloke folder etar content bo display korabo laga hoy titia ki koribo laga hoy titia ami ki koribo lagibo folder to click koribo lagibo titia he ki hobo he tate content to ki ase bostubor amar ki hobo display hobo show koribo tat click koribo lagibo folder. Then the CPU comprises control, memory and dash units. So CPU ki thake control, memory and number B arithmetic and logic units thake. Okay, CPU comprises control, memory and arithmetic and logic units. Then dash is the most important powerful computer in a typical network. So network server hobo correct answer. Network server is the most important or powerful computer in a typical network. Network server to ki hoy most important or powerful computer in a typical network. Then a dash appearing on a web page. Number 6, opens another document when clicked. To code click korile apuni kiba eta web page ut kiba eta bostu sai ase to aru tak jodi apnaloke code click korile ki koribo beleg eta document show koribo hetu hoise hyperlink. So eta apuni kiba link eta loi kiba eta bostu sai ase ta aku eta beleg leta tate jodi link pai jay titia hetu click korile another document ki koribo show koribo, that is called hyperlink. Then which of the following refers to the rectangular area for displaying information and running programs? That is window. Okay, it refers to the rectangular area for displaying information and running programs. Windows to ki kore he rectangular area to dekhai diye. Then number 8, dash is a Windows utility program that locates and eliminates unnecessary fragments and rearranges file and unused disk space to optimize operations. Our answer is a disk. So disk ki hoy is a Windows utility program. It's a Windows or utility program hoy je ki kore locate kore and eliminate kore unnecessary fragments. So unnecessary jibur bostu ase hebur locate kore ba eliminate korat help kore aru ki koribo rearrange koribo file bilak rearrange korat ar unused disk space bilak ki koribo space to apnalako clear kori dibo aru operation of the computer to optimize koribo apna bhal korat hoy kore, then that is disk ke kore. Then which of the following refers too much electricity and may cause a voltage surge, and that is spike too much, it refers to too much electricity and may cause a voltage surge. Then number 10, the software that is used to create text-based documents are referred to as word processors. Okay, word processor is such a software that is used to create text-based documents. Text-based kiba document jodi apuni create koribo laga hoy, so we use word processor. Then dash devices convert human understandable data and programs into a form that the computer can process. So kuntu device ki kore human understandable data and programs into a form that computer can process. The computer process koribo parake data bur kene ki hoy human understandable jibur data ase ama sadharon manuhe bujibo pare hebur ki kore change kore. So that is ki input device. So input device ar apuni bostu bur input kori dile tar pisot machine language ot heitu ki hoy machine ki kore heitu change kori die computer process kore. Okay, then number 12, allows user to upload files to an online site so that they can be viewed and edited from another location. Answer will be Microsoft Outlook. So Microsoft Outlook e ki kore user ki kore file upload karat help kore at the online site and so they can be viewed and edited from another location. Beleg location apra to view koribo pare sabo pare aru edit koribo pare. That is Microsoft Outlook. Then what features adjust the top and bottom margins so that the text is centered vertically on the printed page? So top and bottom margin to adjust kune kore vertical justifying. Eitu re vertical justifying eitu feature e ki kore top and bottom margins are adjusted so that text is centered vertically. Vertically text to ki hoy vertically centered hoi thake. Then which of these is not a means of personal communication on the internet? And that is personal communication apunar chat, instant messaging, electronic mail so personal communication hoy. So eto jitu apunar insta notes, that is not a means of personal communication. Then what is the overall term for creating, editing, formatting, storing, retrieving and printing a document? So gute keta ekeloge kora term to ki, that is word processing. Okay, word processing hobo. Then fourth generation mobile technology provides enhanced capabilities allowing the transfer of both, number B is the correct answer, voice and non-voice. So fourth generation mobile technology ki kore, it provides enhanced capabilities allowing the transfer of both voice and non-voice. Then number 17, dash is a form of denial of service attack in which a hostile client repeatedly sends SYN. That is cybercrime, cyber gaming crime is a form of denial service attack. Okay, so itu eta enukwa service attack hoy jitu manuhe nibisare. Okay, aru itu bahut beya hoy cyber gaming crime. Then which of these is a point and draw device? That is mouse. Mouse to apuni use kori point and draw. We can point in and draw anything using the mouse. Then not draw means like apuni eto ki koribo pare to drag koribo pare, like point kori pelai mouse to point kori to drag koribo pare, jikono bostu select koribo pare, eto tar jane kobo loga nai. Then a set of rules for telling the computer what operations to perform is, answer is programming language. So programming language e ki kore set of rules কি কৰে কৈ দিয়ে কম্পিউটাৰক আৰু কি অপাৰেশ্যন পাৰফৰ্ম কৰিব লাগিব. Okay, then number 20, a detailed written description of the programming cycle and the program along with the test results and a printout of the program is called কি বুলি কয় হেতু documentation বুলি কোৱা হয়. Okay, then forms that are used to organize business data into rows and columns. To rows and columns of jitia business data bilak form kora hoy hetu ki boli koy to jane spreadsheet, very easy. Then in PowerPoint the header and footer button can be found on the insert tab in what group? So header and footer point to apni PowerPoint ot kot pabo and that will be found on text group. Then a dash is a set of programs designed to manage the resources of a computer, including starting the computer, managing programs, managing memory and coordinating tasks between input and output devices. Operating system e gote khini kore apune start kora computer tabisor manage kora memory manage kora sob khini gote khini kam operating system e eitu kore. Then a typical slide in the slide presentation would not include what? Clip art and audio clips. So at a typical slide presentation clip art audio clips and clip art ki koribo nalage would not include koribo nalage. Then the PC productivity tools that manipulates data organized in rows and columns is, that is spreadsheet. Itu to gompale to row and column or itu kotha. Okay, then in the absence of parenthesis the order of operation is exponentiation, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. Okay, so it is in the absence of parenthesis the operation or order to ki hoy exponential hoy first, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Then to find the paste special option, you use the clipboard group dash tab of PowerPoint. So paste special option to karne ki hoy ami home tab to ki koribo lagibo PowerPoint home tab ot jabo lagibo. Then a dash program is one that is ready to run and does not need to be altered in any way. That is executable program. Okay, a executable program is one that is ready to run and does not need to be altered in any way. Then usually downloaded into folders that hold temporary internet files are written to your computer's hard disk by some of the websites you visit. So আপুনি যিবোৰ ডাউনলোড কৰে ফাইল সেইবোৰ কি হয় আমাৰ কোড জমা হৈ থাকে, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য কুকিজ। অ'কে, সেইবোৰে কি হয় আমাৰ গোটেইখিনি মানে ডাউনলোড কৰাৰ পিছত সেইবোৰ যিবোৰ ৱেবছাইট আমি ভিজিট কৰিলোঁ সেইবোৰ চব কি হয় তাত থাকে। তো সেইবোৰ আমি ৰিমুভ কৰিলে অকণমান আমাৰ ডিভাইচটো কিয় ব্ৰাছ আপ হৈ যায়। That is cookies. Then what is the easiest way to change the phrase revenues, profits, gross margin to read revenue, profits and gross margin? That is, use the insert mode, position the cursor before the G in the gross, then type the word and followed by a space. Then a program, either talk or music, that is made available in digital format for automatic download over the internet is called blog. Okay, so য'ত আমি কি কৰিব টক অৰ মিউজিক ইজ মেড এভেইলেবল ইন ডিজিটেল ফৰ্মেট। তো ডিজিটেল ফৰ্মেটত চববোৰ এভেইলেবল কৰি দিয়ে ইণ্টাৰনেটত, সেইটো কিহে কৰে ব্লগে কৰে। Then which PowerPoint view displays each slide of the presentation as a thumbnail and is used for rearranging slides, that is slide sorter। he কি কৰে each slide of the presentation as thumbnail কি কৰে present কৰে display কৰে and is useful for rearranging slides. Then different components on the motherboard of a PC unit are linked together by sets of parallel electrical conducting lines. So hetu ki boli koy buses boli koy. Okay, কি হয় buses different components on the motherboard of a PC unit are PC unit etar motherboard bur ki hoy linked together by sets of parallel electrical conducting lines enuka type or heburo ki boli koy buses boli koy. Then what is the name given to those applications that combine text, sound, graphics and motion video and or animation? To hetu ki boli koy application to multimedia boli koy jo apuni text, sound, graphics, motion video, animation sobbur pabo pare is multimedia. Then a USB communication device that supports data encryption for secure wireless communication for notebook users is called a USB wireless network adapter. Okay, so USB wireless network adapter itu eta USB communication device hoy GA ki kore secure wireless communication for notebook users karone hetu secure eta communication device hoy. Then a language reflects the way people think a dash language reflects the way people think mathematically কি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে and that is functional language mathematical কি করে way মানে language to reflect করে. Then when entering text within a document এটা ডকুমেন্টৰ ভিতৰত যে text enter কৰিব লাগে আমি the enter key is normally pressed at the end of the every sentence. প্ৰতিটো সেন্টেন্সৰ শেষত কি কৰিব লাগিব enter key আপুনি দবাই দিব তাৰপিছত আপুনি টেক্সটটো ইনক্লুড কৰিব পাৰিব. Then when a real time telephone call between people is made over the internet using computers হেতু কি বুলি কয় internet telephony. Very important question ibur ahiye thake internet telephony. Then which of the following is the first step in sizing a window? And that is point to the title bar. It is the first step in sizing a window. Point to the title bar. Then which of the following software could assist someone who cannot use their hands for computer input? So computer input koribo kane jodi hand use koribo nware to kuntu apunar software use kore that is speech recognition etue help kore. Then a dash document means the file is transferred from another computer to your computer. That is really simple syndication hetu ki hoy it's a document means the file is transferred from another computer apuna computer leki ki koribo transfer koribo that is really simple syndication etur joriote. Then which computer memory is used for storing programs and data currently being processed, that is internal memory by the internal memory. কি কৰে কম্পিউটাৰত প্ৰগ্ৰামছবোৰ ষ্ট'ৰ কৰে আৰু ডেটাবোৰ প্ৰচেছ কৰাত হেল্প কৰে ইণ্টাৰনেল মেমৰি দেন computers that control processes accept data in a what in a continuous what infinite loop so computers that control processes accept data in a continuous infinite loop then what refers to a set of characters for a particular design to calligraphy ki kore set of characters for a particular design hetu ki kore refer kore calligraph monot rakhibo etu important question hoy then dash is used by the public and private enterprises to publish and share financial information so financial information share or publish koribone use kore it is extensible business reporting language hetu public and private enterprises ki kore use kore extensible business reporting language then which part of the computer is used for calculating and comparing so calculating and comparing okane kuntu use hoy that is number ALU arithmetic logic unit the method of the internet access that requires a phone line but offers faster access speed dials that is modem to modem or joriote ki koribo pari phone line method of internet access that requires a phone line but offers faster access speeds than dial up to here আৰু মডেমৰ জৰিয়তে এটো আপোনালোকে গমে পায় that ইটো কি কৰিব পাৰি requires a phone line means আপোনাৰ সিম লাগিব নম্বৰ লাগিব then modem to যদি ইউজ কৰে ওকে সেই তাৰ জৰিয়তে আপুনি ইন্টাৰনেট কানেকশনটো কৰিব পাৰে then software creates a mirror image of the entire hard disk to gote hard disk khona eta mirror image create kore kuntu software that is backup software then what is URL so URL ki hoy URL is the address of a document or the web page on the www means world wide web so www world wide web or at the address ki hoy URL to protitu website or nijo ki thake URL thake then number 50 what is the significance of a faded command in a pull down menu and the answer is there are no equivalent keystrokes for the particular command then your business has contracted with another company to have them host and run an application for your company over the internet the company providing this service to your business is called outsourced agency okay so your business has contracted with what another company bele company hoite apunar business e ki hoise eta contract korise to have them host he apunar company bele eta company host koribo aru ki koribo and run an application for your company ki koribo aru apunar company karne eta application teoloke ki koribo banabo so the company providing this service to your business jitu company apunak ei service to dibo hetu ki buli koabo outsourced agency buli koabo then that a dash allows you to access your email from anywhere that is webmail interface e apunar email anywhere jor pora ki nohok access koribo help kore webmail interface then which of the following would you find on linkedin ot apni kuntu pabo ere games applications connections etc so connections to pabo ebur games applications na pai then dash is a technique that is used to send more than one call over a single line that is multiplexing okay multiplexing is a technique that is used to send more than one call over a single line then the search companion can locate all files containing a specified phrase okay so next is number 56 which of the following cannot be a part of an email address and email address or part hobo nware apunar yate c number 2 dia na actually to roi gol space so space cannot be a part of an email address then which of the following must be contained in a URL eta URL ot ki thakibo lagibo that is www dot and the unique registered domain name eketa must in an URL address www dot and the unique registered domain name then which of the following information system focuses on making manufacturing processes more efficient and of higher quality that is computer aided manufacturing okay computer aided manufacturing system focuses on making manufacturing processes more efficient and higher quality a mistake in an algorithm that causes incorrect result that is syntax error बहुत important ebur ahiye thake to syntax error e ki kore এলগৰিথমত এটা মিষ্টেক মানে মিষ্টেক হোৱাৰ ফলত যিবোৰ ইনকাৰেক্ট ৰিজাল্ট এটা দেখাই দিয়েতো সেইটো চিনটেক্স এৰৰৰ কাৰণে দেন আ ডিভাইচ ফৰ চেঞ্জিং দ্য কানেকশ্যন অন আ কানেক্টৰ টু আ ডিফাৰেণ্ট converter is what? Answer is an adapter. Okay, connection, a device for changing the connection on a connector to a different configuration is, okay, different configuration eta karone ki kore changing the connection, that is an adapter. Then to navigate a new web page for which you know the URL, that type the URL in the browser's what? Address bar. Okay, so নতুন ওয়েব পেজ এটা আপুনি নেভিগেট কৰিব কাৰণে সার্চ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে কি কৰিব লাগিব তো আপুনি URL টো যাৰ জানে তো তাত আপুনি কি কৰিব লাগিব URL টো টাইপ কৰিব লাগিব ব্ৰাউজাৰৰ আৰু তাৰ পিছত আৰু প্ৰেছ এন্টাৰ আৰু এড্ৰেছ বাৰ. Then CPU, also called the dash, when talking about PCs does the vast majority of the processing for a microprocessor. Okay, CPU also called the microprocessors. Then a computer's type, processor and operating system defines it what? Speed. Computer to type, the processor operating system to your speed to determine kore. Then a kiosk. What is a kiosk? Is a computer station that provides the public with specific and useful information and service. Okay, a kiosk is a computer station, okay, that provides the public with specific and useful information and service. Public useful information and service ki kore provide kore computer kiosk is a computer station. Then the part of the CPU that accesses and decodes program instructions and coordinates the flow of data among various components is the control unit. So control unit ki kore access kore, decode kore, instruct kore, okay, coordinate kore, everything kore control unit e. Then computer programs are written on a high level programming language. However, the human readable version of a program is called source code. Okay, source code. The computer programs for high level programming language likha thake kintu human readable version jitu ami hetu ki buli koha hai source code buli koha hai. Then what is the difference between CD-ROM and CD-RW? So difference to hoise apunar a CD-RW can be written to, but CD-ROM can only be read from. Okay, CD-RW can be written to aru ROM to ki hoy apuni read koriba pare aru RAM to ki koriba pare to return koriba pare CD-RW. Then what is the text for how words will appear on a page? That is text. What is the term for how words will appear on a page? Words board keneke appear hobe eta page ot hetu apuni text formatting er joriote koriba pare. So the process of a computer receiving information from a computer server on the internet is downloading. So downloading to enukwa eta process jar joriote apunalake ki koriba pare internet er pora kisuman information collect koriba pare. Then when sending an email, the dash line subscribe the contents of the message, that is subject line to ki kore content of the message apni jitu message dibo hetur subject to ki koribo hetu apunar describe kori dibo. Then all the deleted files go to recycle bin, hetu jane. You organize files by storing them into folders. So for folders ot ami organize kori thoi diu. Then our website address is a unique name that identifies a specific web browser on the web. Then dash a specially designed computer, that is embedded computer chips. Okay, embedded computer are specially designed computer chips that reside other devices inside other devices such as your car or your electronic thermostat, that is embedded computer. Then which of the following places the common data elements in order to smallest to largest? That is, the smallest or largest kun ki hoy, that is bit, smallest subset of byte, character, record, field, file, database. Okay, so this places the common data elements in order from smallest to according ascending order or descending order lo ase gute keta data, that is bit, byte, that is character, record, field, file and database. Then, which of the following statement is false concerning file names? That is, none of these will be the correct answer. Then, a disk content that is recorded at the time of manufacture and that cannot be changed or erased by the user is read-only. Okay, read-only to ki hoy? Itu recorded and at the time of manufacture aru hitu ki koribo nwari, erase koribo nwari, read-only hitu. Then, distributed in processing involves solving computer problems by breaking them into smaller parts that are separately processed by different computers. It distributed processing. Then the operating system determines the manner in which all of the following occurs except ki hoy operating system user interaction with the processor. Hetu ki koribo nware, determine koribo nware. Then office lands that are spread geographically apart on a large scale can be connected using a corporate itu DAN hobo. Then you can keep your personal files or folders in My Documents. Then the primary purpose of software is to turn data into what? Information. Then a directory within the directory is eto ki koy subdirectory koy. A computer translates a program into written in a high level language into a machine language. Then when you turn on the computer, the boot routine will perform what? Power on self test. A dash device is a unique name that you give to a file information. That is file name extension. It is a unique name that you give to a file of information. Then hardware includes the computer and all the devices connected to it that are used to input and output data. So hardware buli kole computer aru yar logot thaka jibur device ase like mouse, speaker, CPU he gote bili hardware buli koy. Then a dash contains specific rules, that is a programming language contains specific rules and words that expresses the logical steps on of an algorithm. Then the simultaneous processing of two or more programs by multiple processor is ki buli koy to multi-programming. Hebur question ahi goise apnaloke sale gom pabo question paper previous years jodi sai hebur question e ahise bahut important hoy. The mojibur jikata include korise all are means most repeatedly asked aru bahut bisi important hoy. So dei to size apnaloke 100 ta question maximum yar pora apnalok common ahibo exam ot. Then the secret code that restricts entry of some programs, that is password eto to jane. Then computers use the dash number system, binary number system use kare computer. Then the main function of the ALU is to what? ALU arithmetic logic unit or main function ki perform arithmetic and logical operations. Then dash is the process of carrying commands, that is executing is the process of carrying commands. Then soft copy is the intangible output. So then what is hard copy? The printed output. Soft copy to ami to sporkho koribo nwaro, but hard copy to ami paro, that is the printed output. Then a dash is a program that makes the computer easier, that is operating system. Then a complete electronic circuit with transistors and other electronic components on a small silicon chip is called integrated circuit. Then computer programs are comprised of computer programs of ki thake? Hardware thake first, software, procedures, networks and people. Then an error in a computer is called bug. Error computer jodi error hoy to bug buli koy. Then what is the output? What the processor gives to the user. Processor user ok jikhini diye hini hobo output. So last question is, the person who writes and tests computer programs is called a software engineer. Okay, so friends, bhagor lagi kol 100 question পঢ়ি দিলো আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে কিবা ভুল হ'ব পাৰে আপোনালোকে প্লিজ মেনশন কৰি জনাই দিব আৰু মই যিমানখিনি পাৰো পসিবল হয় সেইখিনি মই কৰিব চেষ্টা কৰিছো মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে যেতে এটা ভাল মানে কম্পাইলড এটা প্ৰিপাৰেচন হয় এটা ভিডিওৰ জৰিয়তে সো আপোনালোকে আপোনালোকৰ আপকামিং এক্সামত এই ভিডিওটো চাই যাব ডেফিনেটলি আপোনালোকৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা বহুত কোৱেশ্চন কমন পৰিব ওকে সো থ্যাঙ্কস ফৰ ওয়াচিং দা ভিডিও ভাগৰ লাগিছে বহুত আৰু বেছি ক'ব নোৱাৰো সো like, share, subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.